Shenzhen Huaxiang Mechanical Equipment Company Limited, focused on thermoforming machine and plastic packing equipment manufacturing, has always been the pursuit of, with the speed of customization of better products, the faster. We have been thinking about how to create greater value for our customers so that customers more worry. Huaxiang always implements the concept of creating value for customers, tailors products for customers, meets different needs of customers, and continuously provides solutions for customers. The production entity's sales model from the initial to the modern factory Huaxiang, a full range of mobile internet marketing system, over the years to support for many enterprises and listed companies to provide all aspects of technology, and based on its rich experience in production of plastic packaging equipment, plastic packaging to provide one-stop solutions for enterprises and customers, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our intimate services, quality products, and competitive prices. Huaxiang in service quality benchmarking to establish plastic industry as the goal and constantly improve the quality of service, is willing to join hands with our customers to continue to build a new benchmark for the industry leading China. If you have any idea or concept for the products, please contact us. We reward our clients with Excelsior attitude towards product and 24-hour online service. Welcome to visit our company. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Hello, we are Huaxiang Machine Factory. We mainly produce plastic self-forming machine, cutting machine, and blister packaging machine. We have the best quality. Welcome. Thank you.